Assalamu alaikum my friends, how are you? Well, in this video I will create a Play Store. In simple words, I will create a Google account. Of course, when we buy an iPhone or smart Android phone, we have to create a Google account in Android for Play Store and in an iPhone for App Store. Then we can download apps and we can use mobile. Obviously, if there are no apps, so how can we use the mobile? So in this video I will create Google account step by step. Watch the video till end, and thank you so much for watching. Like and share. Let's start. You can create the Google account from Play Store. Here is the sign in button, and you can also create the Google account from setting. If you go to setting under Google, click on it, and there is the sign in. You can also sign in. I will create sign in from here for now. It is asking for verify with your screen lock or password. After this, the sign in screen will show. Here you can write your email or phone to log in, but we have to create new account. In this video I will guide you how to create new account. So click on create new account, and there are three options. Click on first for my personal use. So in this video I will use this option. Under create a Google account, there are two boxes, first name and last name. You have to choose. It can be your real name or nickname or your cousin name or your father name, mother name, whatever. So write or choose your name, select your name, and after that, when you select your name, click on next. And second is your basic information. Basically it's your birthday information. It will ask you you have to fill this, your month, day, year, and your gender. It's basic information of a person. It's asking to your personality information, and make sure it should be your age should be above 18. If you are not above 18, so don't worry, you can write here the year that it should be fulfilled the criteria, because if you are under 18, so I think this account for my personal use option will don't available, because it will become for a child account. Anyway, after that there is it is asking for your email. You have to create an email. So create an email that you can remember and you can memorize it. Here I have created this email, but as I click on next, it will give me an error. This username is taken. Try to another. It is giving me an suggestion. I can use it. 90% time it gives you suggestion, and choose this suggestion. It is easy, and maybe you are lucky and your created name will be accepted, but I am using this suggestion in this time, and under click next. Next step is to create a password. Create a strong password that you can remember and take screenshot for your safety. Next time you can don't forget your password, and create a strong password. There should be minimum 8 characters in your password. There is one alphabet and one numeric key and one special character. And take screenshot of your password and keep it in log folder for your safety, and don't share with. Anyway, now I'm creating the strong password. I have created this strong password. Then click next. Username and email showing. Under click next. Scroll down and under click agree. These are privacy and policy. You can read it and click agree. Now there is 15 GB and 5 GB storage. Choose the 5 GB storage. It is free. If you choose 15 GB, it will be unlocked, but it is premium. You have to pay for it. But anyway, it's your choice. Select your desired option, and under click next. Next, it is asking to take a selfie. Add a way to sign in, but you can skip it. So skip it and click on not now from here, and it's your Google account is ready. You can just enjoy it in just a few moments. And this is my friend, your Google account. I have created this for personal use, and I have guided you in very simple steps. And thank you. It is the same account that you can use in your mobile phone apps like in Play Store and your Google and in your YouTube and Google Chrome and every other apps that you can sign in with your Google account. And thank you so much for watching. Like, share, and subscribe the channel. Like and share this video and subscribe the channel. So meet in the next one. Till then, stay tuned and make sure that you keep creating.